How to fix Supercell ID verification not received in email. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this following video, I'm going to show you the ways to fix your Supercell ID verification code not received. Now, if you haven't received the verification code, you should check your spam folder and double check that you have no rules set in the place. This email ends up in the that might make this email end up in the folder. For example, you could go ahead and open up your Gmail account, and what you have to do is you just have to go ahead and tap the try bar icon, and here you could go ahead and press on spam or trash folder, whatever. You could check that and you should be able to find it. If you're unable to find it on the Gmail, then you could also try checking your information or the email address that you provided. Sometimes you must have provided an incorrect information. That must be one of the reason. So you can just go ahead and look for it, or you can update your email address, and at the same time you could also go ahead and check your internet connection. If you don't have a stable internet connection, then it's another reason why you're unable to get the verification code on your email. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.